Hey Stampers, it's Debbie with Stamp It with Debbie, and I'm going live tonight real quick just to show you a new class that I have to offer. And it is an Easter treat class, and I will be offering it from March 4th to the 17th. And you're going to get instructions if you purchase the class, instructions and all the supplies to create this kit. So let me show you what you're going to get. The cost is $38, and if you need shipping, it'll be an additional $8. You're going to get the Welcome Easter stamp set, and I will tell you this isn't just Easter because it also has Welcome to the World, Little One, which makes a great baby card, and also Sweet Friend. So that would be good for doing cards other than just Easter. You're also going to get a whole roll of this really pretty white polka dot tulle. This is one of my favorite ribbons that's in the catalog. And then, like I said, you'll get everything you need to make these 6 projects. They all hold treats, and let me just show you really quickly. This one holds a little Debbie cake. This one here, you can put something in the side. This one holds some little mints. This one's a little bag and an Easter basket, and one more treat holder. You'll get a PDF that has typed out instructions and some pictures with helpful pictures when sometimes you get stuck on things. And what you'll get in the mail will be everything cut and scored for you. And if you have special pieces like this one, that will be punched out for you. You will need to have the stamp set, so you'll want to order that it comes with the kit. But if you want to order just the PDF, you would not get the stamp set with that. If you need more details for this class, you can find them over at my blog at stampitwithdebbie.blogspot.com. And all you need to do is email me which option that you're choosing. So again, the dates for this class are going to be March 4th through the 17th. Your class will need to be paid for by the 17th. And then I will order all the supplies and have them back out in the mail to you through priority shipping no later than March 27th. It could be a little bit earlier than that. Now, I did do an add-on if you want to. I have used a couple of the Stampin' Blends markers. I used Light Smoky Slate, Flirty Flamingo, Purple Posy, Pumpkin Pie, and Daffodil Delight. And if you want to add those on, you can add those on for $22.50, and I will pay the shipping and tax. So leave me a comment below if you're interested. I'll get back with you. You can private message me or go check out my blog at stampitwithdebbie.blogspot.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in class.